go to the first GP, but yeah, feels comfortable on the bike. Physically, like I say, I need a little bit more weeks.
Yeah, it was quite a good season for me. I mean, I had a lot of up and downs. It started good. I was having a really good speed, so this was really the good point of the beginning of the season.
I think the biggest thing I changed this year is just to trust more myself, trust more my instincts, my feelings, and just follow what I think is the best for me, for myself. So yeah, I think that's the biggest change.